Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a No Root VPN app and a compatible local firewall that uses Android VPN API. Install both and accept only necessary permissions. Open the firewall first, enable No Root or VPN mode, and let it create a local VPN tunnel. Once done, switch to the VPN app and confirm it does not request root. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi or mobile data is on, because the apps need network access to apply rules. Now configure firewall rules inside the No Root interface. Add explicit allow and block rules per app, and set Force VPN where you require protection. Configure DNS to a private resolver to avoid leaks, and use route exclusions or split tunneling for traffic that should bypass the VPN. Apply custom IP ranges or sitter blocks for LAN access. Once configured, launch a browser and an app that should be blocked. Then test routing using ping or an IP checker to confirm traffic follows the firewall's VPN tunnel. To finish, tighten the default policy to deny unless explicitly allowed and save your profile. Verify that connections are routed through the local VPN by checking the firewall logs and a public IP lookup. If rules don't apply, revoke the VPN permission and re-grant it, then restart the firewall app. This often forces a rebind. If problems persist, reboot the device to clear stale sockets. One key troubleshooting tip: if DNS leaks occur, set a fixed DNS inside the firewall app and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.